kid. Nobody likes wearing clothes in public, but you know, it's the law.
Lunchtime.
You can't just leave me out here.
Don't worry, we found a friend for you to play with.
Nelson, honey, where have you been? Ha ha! Ha ha! Ha ha!
Dad!
What seems to be the problem, officers?
Tell him you dare me to do it.
If that's true, then you should be taking the rap here, not your son.
And what happens to me if it's my fault?
You'll have to attend a 1-hour parenting class.
It was all his idea. He's out of control, I tell you. I'm at my wit's end. It's so
See you in court, kid.
Okay, son, let's get some lunch.
Did you at least bring my clothes?
Shirt, socks, everything you need.